Hi, today I would like to talk about how to write for and against essay, how to say about advantages and disadvantages of something. For example, today it might be internet. So the first and the main tip is to use only formal language. Another, your essay may consist of three main parts: introduction, main body, and conclusion. So now let's go into details of each paragraph. Introduction may contain approximately 2 or 3 sentences. Your task is to identify the problem. I would say that people are spending more and more time surfing the internet. Is this technology positive or negative? Since let's consider. So start your paragraph with linking words. To begin with, firstly, and after that, tell about your arguments. If we talk about internet, I would say that internet is a great source of information for students, and I will prove my argument with example of Wikipedia or Google and another stuff which help people to get more information. After supporting arguments, we should write about arguments against. If we continue talking about internet, I would say that Wikipedia is an open source, so we don't really know who posted that information and is this information real or not. Add to the second paragraph of your main body more linking words, like in addition to this, moreover, furthermore, and so on. That will be great. In the last paragraph, you should write your conclusion. So, write about general thoughts from your essay. For example, start it with the words "to sum up," "finally," "all in all," and I will continue like internet has advantages and disadvantages. On the one hand, it is a good source of information. On the other hand, it might be dangerous. So that all tips about for and against essay. I hope my advice will help you to improve English. See you!